don't have a glass. No, you should borrow the glass. Borrow it. Yeah, it's empty.
Yeah. Just hold your hand around it. Yep, there we go. Cheers.
Thank you.
Yep, of course.
Wait. Hi, so I'm going out with my housemates for the first time. Party, party! Hindi ka ba ready mag-party? Mag-party na tayo! Yan na bang outfit mo? Coke with kamote. Claude, where are you? Oh my gosh, your room is so makalat. Nakakaya sa mga fans ko. Okay, we're going to the pub hopping tour. Pub hopping tour. You have to check out ano yun? Wonders of London. Are you ready to get drunk, guys? Are you ready to get drunk?
Have any of you been on the Wonders of London tour before? You have?
She has
okay. Which
been.
one did you go on?
The Royal Tour.
Oh, okay, Royal Tour of Westminster. Yeah, they normally there's quite a few people on that. I think normally. I think that is the most popular tour. Yeah, yeah. Basically, they're free tours or pay what you want tours. The reason we do that is so people on low incomes still come on the tours. We do depend on donations. We don't get any funding from anyone. So if you've enjoyed the tour and you'd like to donate something, then that would be great. Yeah, so we should be getting to 5 pubs. It should take about 3 hours. Our second pub, the Lamb and Flag. It's the oldest pub in Covent Garden. Dates from the 17th century.
Hi! So, this is the Golden Ale. This is the Golden Ale beer. I recommend this pale, so hindi siya masyadong mapait. And we also have here the London Bitter beer. This is a bit mapait. So, para sa mga talagang bitter sa life. Para sa mga bitter. Mag-video tayo.
Drunk hearts.
Girl, kunin mo yung bote. Props. Sige na, mag-usap-usap tayo kunwari dito.
Okay.
Dito ka. Kunwari nag-usap tayo.
Yes, darling.
Cheers, darling. What can you say about the beer, darling?
Well, it tastes a little bitter.
Mark, my friend here is already drunk.
Oh my God.
We dancing,